Hey, creative humans, welcome back to the XAXs Corps channel. I am Aditya Roy, the founder and creative director of XAXs Corps, and in this tutorial I'll teach you how to put a link on a text field in WordPress using Elementor. So let's begin. As you can see, we have our article ready. This is an article about how one of our branding projects got featured by the prestigious agency, the World Brand Design Society. Now, there are two links that we want to put inside this text field. One is the link of the case study of the project and the project itself, and the link on their website. Let's start. Now, one of those links is the internal link, and the other is an external link, and there are two different ways to do that effectively. Let's start with the internal link. The internal link, which is the project of the thinker and the adventurer. Let's bold it out with Control B or Command B, and now we select this, which is insert or edit link, to add a link. Once you select it, you get an option of searching, and what it does is searches within your website, and instead of going to the page and copying and pasting, you can simply search the project here, which is yes. Wait a little and you can see this is the project, the second one. It has come up. Now I can select it, apply, and the link has been applied. I can click on the edit option, go to the link options, and then I have the option of activating open in a new tab. This is advisable for external links, so that the user doesn't go outside of your website while checking on the link, but since it is an internal link, we don't mind. Let's move on to the second one, which is the link on their website. For that, we don't have the search option, we have to go to their website. Let's go there. This is the feature on their website. Simply copy the link, go back to our site, insert. In this time, we have to paste the link, and before we apply, let us keep the open link in a new tab option active. Update, and the link is there. Once it's done, let's click on update, and it will be live. You can see the progress bar, and it is live. Now let us give it a view. Page. And you can see we have the links. If you hover over them, you see the cursor is changing its style, which means it is clicking a link. Let's click on the website first, since it is external. As you can see, it's opening in a new tab. Let's click on the internal link. Since we did not click the open in a new tab option because we didn't care, you can see it's opening. So it's really as simple as that. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just like and subscribe for more, and follow us around on social media at the XAXs Corps, and check the description for link to a website for more resources, this full case study and other stuff. So see you again in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye, and keep creating to stay above the ground.